So if you saw the service video for this and where we did the power supply upgrade, this one is Harrier CBHQ, and if I can lift down the box, because I'm going to want the microphone out of the box when we go through to base station at the end, we have the factory original box, which I'll plonk on top. And now I can't see what I'm doing because my bench light's there. Right, it doesn't get better than that. It's doing 0.2 watt on receive, 0.2 microvolts on for 12 dB SINAD. It's a full 4 watt output. I have rebuilt the power supply. We've upgraded the 2200 main smoothing capacity to 3300 in line with what I do these days. Just in case we're inadequate, it's brought it straight up to 4 watts. It came in doing 2.7 watts, and there we are. We'll run with the standard replacement mic and then we'll go over to the factory original one. So let's see whether Mr. Chippie is on Mega Chippie channel. I'm not going to plug the extension speaker and we'll hear it straight from this. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger Dodger, I'm ready.
Roger that, I will be shortly.
And on this radio, I'm not going to bother plugging it into the external speaker.
Roger that.
Exactly the same innards as the Midland.
Right, off we go.
Roger on that. It's exactly the same as the Midland 76900, which we use for our when we go through to the base station. Exactly the same innards. It's exactly the same innards as the York 869 base station. So your 200 quid extra for the Midland is simply for the case.
Right, passing now to recording.
Roger on that. And on this radio, we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the passing place and doggy daycare with its new hut.
Roger on. Oh yes, it's going to be on the video for the first time.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Lancaster service station 132.9 and 142.9.
Roger on that. There you are. The advantage of being able to do it a little bit earlier today.
Roger. Right, Jill, you can just go to that fuel finder website and have a look.
Yes, that's brilliant.
Right, we're square wheel Doncaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
Remind me to ask you for your driving licence number because we need to renew the insurance on that car.
Yep, Roger, will do. Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on
a Harrier CBHQ base station from 1981 using the Cybernet 134 chassis, doing 441 output, and I'm on the standard replacement microphone.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Dodge off.
Going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Great Leads turn.
Roger, got you at the Great Leads turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at 5 mile point. So on this Harrier CBHQ base station from 1981 using the Cybernet 134 chassis and on a standard replacement mic. The radio's doing full forward output. We're going to go to low power and I've set it to 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are on low power doing 400 milliwatts. We'll pop it back to full power. There we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power, and low power is pretty good as well.
Off you go when you're ready, that's great.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rorsby level crossing.
Yep, 136.9 and 144.7.
Okay, I've forgotten what you said in the other one, but I think I casted one by 4 prints. So that was an absolute treat, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
10-10.
Guys, 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rorsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rorsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please, over?
Yep, 136.9 and 144.7.
Okay, I've forgotten what you said at the other one, but I think Ancaster won by 4 pence. So that works an absolute treat, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
10-10. You probably tell he's got a cold at the moment. We'll go over to our base station. We'll listen to this mic. It's had a slightly shortened lead, but that is the right mic. It's the type which you people refer to as the Fidelity 1000 mic, but it isn't. They're bought in part. But this type of mic on the right, which is the Harrier one, isn't the coffin mic with the base station, and it's actually the one that's illustrated. So on the box. So sometimes you may be offered one of these base stations with a Harrier coffin mic, but the Harrier coffin mic is likely to be intended to be for the mobile. But that is the right mic, so it's very impressive. It'll be even more impressive if it works, because we haven't tested it yet. So we're going to go over to our base station, our Midland 76900, which I say is exactly the same innards, but in a posher case. So let's see what it sounds like.
Tiger 21 testing the Harrier CBHQ into our Midland 76900. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pops on low power. There we are on low power, testing 1, 2, 3, that's a hum test, bearing in mind I've rebuilt the power supply on this. And we're running on that built-in power supply back to full power. There we are back on full power. We'll just go to the Harrier original mic. And now testing on the factory original microphone, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pop it on low power. There we're on low power, testing 1, 2, and back to full power. So I do know we're going to have a look at the realistic TRC 1000 base station which we brought in. It's got an absolutely swine of a fault on its transmitter, but we will have a look at that even if we don't complete it. And then I do know that we've got a Barracuda HP 940, and we have also got a Sapphire X 4000 which is coming for service as well. So thank you for watching.